What's going on, pop stars? I am popping in because I want to share another smart oven recipe with you. Really simple, really quick, and really good. I am going to show you how I did my grilled salmon. So stay tuned. So you guys, a few weeks ago, I actually shared a photo on my Instagram of some salmon that I made, and I got a lot of requests as to how I made it and what I put in it. And I'm so happy to share that it's so simple and so easy to make, and you can go with any seasoning and any brand that you guys like. But like I said, I'm going to share what I used in mine. So first things first, as I always say, I always stick to my staple seasoning, which everybody has one. And mine, of course, is the Goya Adobo. It's an all-purpose seasoning. Grew up on it, and I'm never going to stop. And then, of course, I also have my barbecue sauce. The one that I did a few weeks ago was not necessarily this brand, but basically it was a sweet onion barbecue sauce. So this was just another one that I had inside of my cabinet, just, to give you guys an idea. So normally I pop in and I show you guys, all my ingredients before I season it and all that other good stuff. But this is the same salmon that I actually cleaned and seasoned a few weeks ago. I think it was 2 weeks ago. And this is the other half of it. So it's been seasoned and marinating in my freezer for about 2 weeks. So you know what that means? This bad boy is about to taste super good. So anyway, stay tuned and I'll show you how I put it together. Okay guys, so this is my smart oven that I got. The brand is Kalorik. And I'm going to get in here and I'm going to just remove one of these pans and of course use the drip pan. So I'm going to take the salmon and then I'm going to place it on one of these slotted pans. And then of course keeping the drip pan at the bottom there. And then I'm going to set it on the fish setting. And I think it's about 380 at about 30 minutes or less. And then I'm going to let it do its thing. And then of course I'll come back and show you guys the finished product. Okay, so there it is on the pan. And then the only other thing that I do, is because I like it a little crispy, is I put a little oil on it to get it to crisp. And I always use like virgin olive oil. So that's what I'm going to put on it, just a little bit to help it crisp. Okay, and that's about it. And then I'm going to put it inside the oven and let it do its thing. it just stopped, so I'm gonna go ahead and check it. Now I will say it should be done right now, but like I said, I like mine a little crispy, so I'm gonna put mine in a little longer, but I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like right now. So it's cooked, but not cooked enough for me. I want it to be nice and crispy and grilled. So I'm gonna put it back in for another 10 minutes just so it could get kind of crisp, like I've been saying, and then I'll pop in and show you guys. See guys, it's getting nice and crispy and kind of caramelized just the way that I want it. I set it for 15 minutes, but it doesn't need 15 minutes, and I have it at 400. So I'm gonna let it go for another minute or so, and then I'm gonna take it out. And right now I'm making some rice and some steamed veggies to go with it, but I'll show you the finished product, of course, when I'm done. All right, I think it's done now, so I'm gonna take it out. Look at that bad boy. Yes, baby, yes. Okay, so I had to get a plate so I can set it on. And there it is. Look how beautiful and caramelized, grilled. Smells amazing. Look at it, still sizzling. Jeez Louise, I cannot wait to eat this. So anyway, I wanted to pop in and show you guys how I made it. Really easy, really simple. And then I'll show you guys the plated dish. All right, so here is the plated meal. I made some Uncle Ben's wild rice. And then I steamed some veggies with some onion. And of course, my seasoning of choice. And then of course, you know, the piece de resistance is the salmon. Cooked all the way through and glazed and grilled on the top just the way I like it. Or I should say just the way we like it. And we're going to tear this plate up like Rottweilers, right, babies?
Yeah!
So I need to hurry up and wrap this up because they're hungry and they're being very patient just so I can film this. So once again, thank you all so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button below. When you like the episode, give us a thumbs up. And if you have anything you want to share, leave a comment down below. Until next time.